They can imitate you, but they can't duplicate you.
Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. If you don't know me, my name is Amelia. So hey, if you're not subscribed, please hit that subscribe button and also turn on your post notifications. We're going to the beach today. It's a family beach day, but we're gonna go store first. Woo! Oh, what happened? I stand. What? So the beach is like a 3-minute drive away. Not even 3 minutes, maybe like a 1-minute drive away. Especially the way my mom drives and my dad drives. They drive kind of crazy, so you know, maybe 10 seconds from 10 seconds behind teens. But we're gonna go to the store first, which is right next to the beach. So you know, it's gonna be real quick. We have to get some buns. No, but we have to get buns for the hot dogs and probably chips because we eat a lot. We already have our drinks. We're good with that. Yeah, we're headed to the beach. Usually I don't like the beach because I don't like to burn and I don't like, I just don't like the beach. It's hot, sticky, I don't like get sandy, like all of that. But it's been really hot this last week and the beach is critical and we really need it. So beach day, look, even they're going to the beach. I don't even know who they are. Okay, sorry guys, we have to go on the beach. It is what it is. So we're at the store already. Look, we're turning in right now. And here we are. What is this van doing? Oh, hi. It's my uncle them. Oh, that was bumpy. My butt's sore. And I hope my butt's not getting wet because the ground is wet because someone doesn't know how to put ice in the cooler correctly.
It is getting wet.
And this car doesn't know how to park. Okay, we're here. And now my mom. Okay, my mom doesn't know how to park either because we're in 2 stalls.
That's how we fun.
Oh, you can check. Lift them. Do you need any of us to come with you? Oh, she got Alyssa.
Buy some candy, some seats too. Buy some seats!
So we're at Wine Eye store. If you know, you know. If you don't, oh well. My mom is back, so we're headed to the beach now. Yay! My mom bought candy, and this is not my cup of tea. I don't really care for this. I don't know why. The taste is weird, so I don't like that one. I'd rather eat Twizzlers. Just saying. Ooh, girl. Okay, so we're headed to the beach. They're having a car wash. If you guys want to go get your cars washed. Oh, this beach is packed, dog. Okay, we're here. I told you. It's literally like 30 seconds to get here. Oh, this beach is so packed. Like, there's literally no parking right now. We made it.
No, she ride the bike. She track.
Yeah. Trap.
Okay, anyways. Look at my baby. She's in the water.
Sunburn on my
Me too. Oh! Don't hit me. Okay guys, so we're gonna be building a mountain because, well, that's all we know how to do. What mountain are you gonna do? I'm doing like, I don't know. This is what we used to do like all the time. We don't make castles, we just make mountains. Whoever makes the biggest mountain usually wins, the biggest and nicest. So we'll see. I don't like this side. What are you doing, Peach?
I'm waiting for it to go.
Oh wait, what kind of mountain? What kind of mountain are you doing? I don't know.
I'm doing the one that was just doing water.
Oh, I'm just throwing it on.
Oh, that's the mountain.
You can do any mountain though. object is to just like below it.
No, I don't want to do this one.
And like toss it up. Tossing it up is key. I don't like the sand, it feels weird. I think it's too like, oh crap. Catch it? Yeah. Hold on. Hold the camera. One piece. Ooh. Crab. She caught a crab, guys. You know her catching crabs.
Can you guys see it? Wait, let me try and wet it.
Oh, I made myself a little like hole that I can just fill in. Right now it looks like a pile of crap, but it's gonna look better.
Here.
Oh, what's on my pocket dog?
Oops, sorry, look right there, crab.
Look what I caught. Sand.
Is this right there?
What are you doing? This is what I'm making. Okay, make something that don't sit in mine. Oh my god, you messed up the whole technique. Like this kind of sand. You're done?
Danny, you're fine. You're not done. No, this is not good.
Oh. Oh.
I'm taking the extras that's on your head. I'm so sorry. What are you guys even making?
Mountain. I'm doing Mount Lahi Lahi. I'm doing Mountain Lakeshore.
I'm doing a sandcastle.
Oh. Okay, so she thinks she's pro over here. She's gonna be doing a sandcastle. Okay, we're gonna hit you guys back when we're done. So the wave just came and it just like almost took my phone with it. How you like that one? Okay, but this is what we're left with. Do you see it? I can't even see right now. My mountain. My mountain and then her mountain. But I have moose, guys. Look what I caught. I got a little crab. So cool. It's so tiny and that's the only reason I caught it. Because it's not really like affecting me. And don't worry, it's not dying or anything yet. Hey, are you alive? Yep, he's still trying to fight me. But yep. Look at him. That worked out. My mom doesn't think it's funny that my phone almost went. They're unreal. Look at she's always sticking finger. Okay, let's let this little guy roam. Let's let him roam. Go, 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 go. Hi, Daddy. Hi, baby. Oh! Did he just? Look what he did. This was my hard work. I even built a trench around it so the water. Okay, they're coming for me, guys. They're really coming for me. They're all coming for me in the water over there. I'm gonna start with this one. Oh, you dumb clown. Oh my gosh. Okay, guys, I'm gonna have to see you later because I'm gonna have to go fight them in the water. My phone's not waterproof, so see you in a bit. Okay. You're gonna watch me do tricks because I'm as light as a feather in water, bro. So you're gonna watch me do some tricks. Like literally only 2 tricks, but it is what it is. Okay, ready? We're gonna do a front flip and then we're gonna handstand. Woo! Go. Oh, I couldn't do the handstand. Show off. One more time, one more time. Huh? She thinks she's a savage, so she's gonna do a double front flip. Let's see this.
Front flip. Ready?
See this, baby.
Go.
Oh snap! Oh snap! She's a
I can do
gymnast.
like
What
a
is
lot.
it called? A gymnast.
okay.
She's a gymnast.
I'm gonna do as much as I can. Count, okay?
Okay.
Ready?
Let's see.
Set. Go.
1, 2, 3, 4. 4, baby. Oh, whoa, whoa! She's lightheaded.
Whoa. Hey, let me
Gang,
try.
gang, baby. Gang, gang, baby. No, you can't swim. Where's your floaty? You guys forgot it?
Okay, then guys, I'm gonna go jump off some rocks.
Oh, she's a savage. I almost dropped. Whew. Okay, guys, I'll see you later. Right before we leave, I'm gonna take a video of the sunset. Yes, so. But other than that, hope you guys are having a great day.